Hello YouTube. Here we got the Acer laptop today. Acer gaming one, Acer Predator Helios 300. It has the same problem we had yesterday with the MacBook Air. The fan is running at really high speed. You can hear the sound. Okay, and it is making really loud noise. We already serviced this one. We thought it's gonna cure the problem, but still it is doing the same thing. So if we look at Acer Sense, Predator Sense, you can test the fan and other systems on the machine. And if you look at the readings, it is 5882 RPM, the GPU fan, and the CPU fan is 5769. If we keep it on the maximum, it goes over 6000. The value should be around 57, below 6000 basically for the both one. Okay, and now if we switch it to auto mode, that's normal. Okay, and if we go to maximum mode, then fan is making a really loud noise, and it's gone to 6000. It shouldn't be 6000, it should be into this figure, round as I don't know what this figure, but it always goes up to 6000. So we tried it many times now. Okay, we'll shut it down now. We got a new fan. There's the new fan. We'll install the new fan, the GPU fan. Disconnect the charger. Just the storage hard drive. And you can use the normal prying tool to open the lid, back base bottom, but I have opened it many times, so just I know what it is and how to do it with the hands. So that's the GPU fan, and that is the CPU fan. I already serviced them to make sure that it's not heating up. Make sure you disconnect the battery. There are only 2 screws in it. That's the one. And then you have to change the metal plate on the top here. There's the metal plate sitting well on it. Okay, and let's see if it's well there. Only 2 screws with the metal plate. One it goes into with the metal plate, one and this hook. make sure it's sitting well on this metal plate is sitting well on the new fan. There are tiny clips, in fact, those are a bit rusted here, they're gone. And on the new one, I think there's only one, this screw is holding it. There's no little clips to clip it well, so it shouldn't move because that's the screw holding it. Plug the battery back in. Right, and here is the back lid back on. I won't connect the hard drive at the moment because it's just storage. It's got SSD inside. Let's see, switch it on again. Really fast machine, boots up quickly. Yep. So that's let's check the values again now. Yeah, it's gone below 54 now. It'll stay around below 6,000, I think. Let's wait for the 2 minutes and see. If it goes up 6,000, it means the problem not solved. In 2 minutes time, if it stays into this range below 6,000, it means the problem has been solved. It won't heat up anymore, it won't make any noise. That looks perfect because it stays 55 RPM, 5555 RPM. It's going down even. Otherwise, with this fan, with the old fan, usually the value would be 6,000 or over 6,000. Sometimes jumps over to 6,000. So now the problem has been solved. We'll switch back to auto mode. Okay, and shut it down and put the screws back on, and that's it. Thank you for watching.